All right, so this video is just to quickly go over the Tradeline Secrets GPT and how you can use it if you need extra help while you're completing the course. It's trained on everything that Tradeline Secrets is, right? So building a paydex, business credit, etc. And here's where you access it, right? You go into the classrooms, Tradeline Secrets, and in the intro section is where it's at. And again, it's trained on the full guide. And basically, like, let me go ahead and show you how it works. So, for example, let's just say you want it to help you build a paydex. You can always click these prompts here, but help me build a paydex, for example. Well, here, just a general prompt, and it'll just show you a step by step using the official Tradeline Secrets guides, right? And it'll ask you, right, like, do you want to build a paydex, business credit right now, or do you want to check credibility, right? I suggest you check your credibility first, but again, we'll just assume, like, just help me build a paydex. And then we'll also look into like how you can use it to check credibility, which again, if it's not set, if your credibility is not set up properly, then you'll get auto denied, right? But here it is. After that, you'll walk here. What's it say? You already have a DUNS number, right? So it's gonna see if you already have this information because you have to have a DUNS number. Let's just say yes, you do. If you don't, again, it'll show you how to get it, right? But let's just say no, or I mean yes, that you do have it. And again, it'll give you the step by step instructions. So you get your NAV Prime build plan, your 2 to 3 net 30s. Which, by the way, I included an extra bonus. These aren't all the net 30s, right? There's more, and there's this net 30 vendor credit list here. So here are all the actual vendors that you can use, and you just go through them, right? You can always make sure to do your research and make sure that they report, right? And that's found here where you built, like in section 4, the vendor list, right? But my point is that the AI shows you like the actual steps on how to do it. So generally, you get your what is it, Nat Prime build, you get your vendor accounts about 2 to 3, and around month 3 or 5, you get 1 to 2 gas cards, right? Generally, if you're already making revenue, that's how you can skip ahead. But if you don't have revenue, you're gonna want to wait until your month 5. And then yeah, that's step 4. You just pay everything on time. And here's an important reminder about paydex, right? So again, it teaches you everything. You don't. I have like the guide and videos for you to watch, but then the AI itself, it helps. It's like a complement. So let's just say, for example, actually, I do have a DUNS number, question mark, and it'll tell you how you can get a Duns and Bradstreet number. You go to the website, get a DUNS, and this is the actual link, or you can type it in yourself, right? You don't have to use the link, but you see that? So tells you the steps to get everything. Now let's say, for example, you want to check your credibility. Oh, actually, that's what I was going to ask next. So yeah, actually, help me check credibility. And again, this is really the diagnostics is the first thing you want to do. So is your business legally registered? And we'll do multiple scenarios, but this is how you do it. We'll say a perfect example, right? Do you have an EIN for your business? Well, we'll say no to a few. So let's just say no. You see how it just tells you like where you're at and how to fix it as well. Let's just say I have my EIN now. It'll go through, respond through the questions, and let's just say, is your business name and address consistent? No, it's not. And you see, it'll tell you that mismatched addresses is auto denials, right? And it'll show you exactly how to fix everything, the step-by-step instructions. This is for the IRS to update through the to update your EIN address. For the DMB, it tells you to go here, and there you go. Let's just say everything's fixed. Yes, it's fixed. and virtual addresses. Again, I go into detail why you can't use it. We can ask. So just say, yes, I have a physical, but why can I not use a virtual? And it'll even tell you why you shouldn't use one, right? And lenders flag you automatically, so it causes auto denials, right? So you just keep going through the questions itself, and we're gonna go through the end, right? And do you have any mismatch addresses? No, we don't. We already answered that question. Is your business between 6 months to a year old? So this is an age question, and we're gonna pick like the max age, right? So let's just say yes. Yes, it is. Oh, we said. Oh, wait, hold on. Whoops. How old is your business? Okay, fine. We'll just say over 2 years because I want to show you what it looks like for a max business. And then, do you have the verifiables, financials? Let's just say yes. And you can even type in the scenario, so like you don't necessarily have to go to the you want to do the diagnostics, but really the age and all that you can always put in your own scenario. Do you have a business checking? Just say yes. It's a good amount of questions, but again, like this diagnostics will let you know everything. And remember, we're using the AI, so sometimes it forgets. Like even though we fixed the issue with getting the duns, it'll still ask you. And is it everything consistent? Yes. There it is. What is your NICS code? Not sure, but it's, I don't know, marketing consulting. Right? It'll even show you this, and then it'll say you completed everything and what this means. It'll show you what it means for yourself, like what tier one businesses are, right? And basically, business credit card financing, high limit business lines of credit, loans from regional banks and credit unions, right? So, because not every bank qualifies for specific products. So, and then it's going to ask you what you want to do, right? And then, yeah, you can say difference between paydex and business. Wait, hold on. Let's just actually paydex. Because again, I all of this is trained on like the actual system, but this is basically how you use it. You just ask questions, you talk to it, and it'll go into the details of why it's not needed. So if things aren't clear in the video, you can have it basically clarify things for yourself. Uh, and look, right, this is all like covered in the videos, but basically that's how you use the AI tool, right? So um, you just continue to ask it questions. Uh, let's see. Let's see what other question I can ask. Oh, this is a good one actually. How to register a business. And here's the step-by-step process of how to register a business, right? The naming conventions, like how you want to name the business, the physical address, right? Not to use virtual. All this stuff. And this is all just for free, by the way. This comes with the standard plan, 100% free. And again, it's a good way to be able to understand further. Like if the guide doesn't make sense, ask the AI, and then it'll clarify things even further, right? And that's kind of how you use it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the AI, how you like it, and I hope this video was helpful.